it's my friend Red here, and I am here today to do a box opening video. So as you guys know, and it's a weird angle because it's a box opening, as you guys know, I have what's her name, Diva, I think, the LOL OMG girl, and I have her in this little sweater I made for her, and I've cut her hair and stuff. Ooh, the light is, hold on. Is that better? Okay, that's better. Yeah, I have her, and my boyfriend and my girlfriend have been looking everywhere where they live, and they haven't been able to find any more of them, but I just randomly went to Walmart today, and they happened to be restocking, and I found two more girls. So I found Swag, and I got another Swag for my girlfriend. And then I got Queen Bee. Haha. So I think the other one, Neon, is the only one I don't have so far of the first wave. So I'm not going to be opening the second Swag, but I'm gonna be opening. I'll open Queen Bee first. Okay, so start here. Okay, so I'm starting here. Okay, starting here. Ooh, and these dolls are $30, and so these are all the things they come with. She has a little magazine, and it says, "Queens don't always have to rule alone. Make some time with your royal BFFs." Okay. And let's see. So it just comes out of this little pocket right here. And these things are so fun to unbox. I unboxed Diva, so. Okay, so got these. Isn't this cute? I love yellow and gray combination. It's like the best. These are all her accessories. Okay, so I got her sparkly sunglasses. I think this is a choker. Cute. For all the accessories they come with, they are definitely worth the money, like 100%. A little belt. And her adorable earrings. Oh, so cute. Okay. Put the cap back on so I don't lose any of it. I'm trying to think of where I put my Divas box is up there with my other boxes. Okay, so I got this one, and open it, and it's the same wrapping, and it is, her shoes. Oh, her shoes are so cute. Oh my goodness. Put them back in here for now. And then two little it's like it's like a plasticky papery material, I guess. I don't know. It's like the thing that you would hang like your suit jacket in. I'm struggling. Okay, here we go. I think. No. Okay, there we go. Her jacket, and she has like shoulder pads on them. That's like sparkly pointy thingy. That's cute. And then, okay. This one's super cute. It has bees all over it. Adorable. think I got this one. Okay. So it's like, it's a little bit bunched up right now, but they're like big, like flare pants like that. They're like kind of meshy. You can like kind of see my finger through it. So that's cool. Got her jacket, pants, her accessories, and her shoes. And then I think next you pull this box out, and she's right there. Strut your stuff. She's in there all cute. Oh my. Oh, her hair is so soft. Open it up. Oh, it has more surprises in it. So when you open it, it is like this. Oh goodness, she's so oh, and she has socks. Oh, Diva didn't come with socks. Being very careful with her. Okay, and the whole thing pops off, and there's like this kind of like mirroring material, but it's like foggy. Okay, so this is her, what she comes on. And so I'll take off a little bag. What is in the bag? Oh, is this her purse? Oops. Yeah, this is her purse. And there's actually like an inside to it, so you can like pop. It's cute though. I like it. Okay. And then you have her hairbrush. I can't remember if Diva came with a hairbrush. I'll have to look in her box again. She probably did. Here's the brush. And then Diva's stand is just plain white. So, oh, and they have these awful head tags. And then we'll take the head tags and try to cut them as close as I can to the head. There we go. I hate these. These are awful. I don't want to cut any of her beautiful curls. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my. And their hands, for some reason their hands are so detailed. Oh my. Her hair is so soft. But here she is, Royal Bee. Because she has a little one piece on. And these sparkly little socks. And as I said, Diva's stand is white. And so their stands are pretty cool. They come like this. And on the inside is this little... She just took a tumble behind me. And this little thing. And this. And the actual stand part. This. So what you do is you put this in here and you click it in like that. This one's black and sparkly. It's so cute. And then this piece is an option piece. You can put it here. Then put this piece on top and it can be like a little seat for her, like she's sitting on here. Or you can store this piece under here and just have her like standing in the stand like that. So that's super cool. She is, oh my goodness. I didn't think I was gonna like her as much as I do, because I usually like to be able to like play with their hair and stuff. But oh, I just want to like squish it. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. It's actually ridiculous how soft it is. So I'm gonna put her jacket on, and while I'm doing that, so right now it is September 4th, and so you guys probably won't be seeing this video for a little while because I already have a video planned for this weekend. So maybe you'll be seeing it next weekend. I don't know. I don't know when whatever. So, and I started having, in April, I started having knee issues. And all my life I've been pigeon-toed, and if you don't know what that is, that's when your toes, instead of walking like this or like this, you walk like this with your toes like pointing inwards. And so since April, I have been having knee issues, and I just recently went to the orthopedist, and he told me that I have, well, yesterday I went, he told me that I have hyperlaxive joints, laxive, I don't know. What that means, like, basically is that, I guess, my joints are loose, and, like, I'm double jointed. So what he did is he took my hip, and I'm able to do the W sit like this, like the anime W sit where it's like do like a W. Apparently your knee's not supposed to rotate that much, and then I can also do thing where like your thumb touches your wrist, and like a couple other things that he tested on me. And so I have loose joints, and I was born like that, and there's not really anything I can do about it. Apparently people with this specific thing are just more prone to joint pain. So I'm going to physical therapy to strengthen the muscles around my knees, but there's not like a fix that I can get, you know. So, but that's okay. It's good to know like what was wrong, like so that I know that something wasn't like super wrong. It's just I have loose joints, hyperlaxive joints. And he said that's the reason that I'm pigeon-toed. So. Alright. This choker's gonna be hard to get on. I can't. I'm struggling. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. I got it. Hold on one second, Mom. I'm making a box opening. Yes, Mama.
Okay.
It's okay. Just give me a minute. I'll talk to you in a sec.
Me?
Yeah, Mom. I'll talk to you in a sec. Sorry. So here she is in her whole outfit. Oh my goodness. Okay, not a super big fan of the glasses, but maybe if I put them like up here, maybe? I don't know. They're cute. I probably won't put them on her a lot though. Love this outfit. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna put her in her stand. And so all that is for $28, I think, something like that. And then plus tax, it's like 31, something like that. So I think it is a super great deal for all the stuff you get, and their hair is very nice quality. Okay, and this is the one I was most excited about today because she has the braided hair and it's so cool. I'm not as excited for her outfit though. But we'll see if I like it more once I see it in real life. So, yeah, neon's the only one I don't have so far. And my boyfriend and my girlfriend are going out again tonight to look in some more Walmarts to see if they can get neon for me. So, here she is. And I pull the tab, and that is what you see. Oh, it's red in there. Red is my favorite color, if you guys couldn't tell. Okay. Just clear up the box a little bit. That's fine. I can tape that. So here's what you got. Let's see. Her little magazine says, "You got fab dreams and you all about that hustle, but make sure to take time to chill." She's so cute. So that's hers. And oh, there's a little manual inside that tells you how to put the stand together. So, okay. do this box. This one has her accessories in it. So, okay, she has... Oh no, she has the same amount of accessories. 2 of them were hiding. So she has this gold chain. I'm thinking this is the belt, I think. And these cool earrings, they say swag. And then this necklace has a $ sign on it, and these sunglasses. Put those right here. Let's see, and the red box. Oh god, I'm a sucker for red. Here it is. That's cute. Look, it has like, it's like a shoebox. Okay. Ooh, I love these shoes. Cute. Okay. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. So this is what it is. Oh, did I show you the wrapping paper? Here's the wrapping paper. Let's see. How do I get it? It's like a little sweatshirt thingy. Not really a sweatshirt, that wouldn't keep you very warm. Okay. And this one. These are the pants. And then, oh, you slide this out, and that's what you see. And then you open it, and you see this. Oh, she comes with socks too. Oh, her hair is so soft. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so take that out. And she also has a mirror inside. That's what you get. Let's see her purse. I don't want to cut any of those lovely braids. Okay, there you go. Boop. Boop. Okay. Not. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, it's a backpack. Okay. I was so confused. There we go. A backpack. And then her hairbrush. Her stand is gold. Try not to cut any braids. Oh, shoot. Okay. I didn't cut a braid, I cut the little tab thing. Oh my goodness, I don't want to cut a braid. Okay, I think I got it. I'm very particular about this. I hate these tabs. never thought these things were a good idea. Why would anyone think that? You didn't tack down the rest of it all freaking good enough? Jeez. Or well enough? Come on. Okay. Oh, what's there? Oh, she is free! So hers is a one piece, and it is like this, and she has these cute little socks. And oh, her hair is actually to die for. You know when you like are at the store when you were little, or now, I don't judge, and you saw like the necklaces on the rack and you like went like this in them with your hand? That's what it feels like. Oh, it is so awesome, and she is so sweet. Look at those lips. Oh my goodness, those red lips are so cute. Gold stand. Nothing too exciting. Okay, put the track pants on. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Sorry. Okay. I'll get on with it. Where is her little jacket? There it is. Again, their hands are so nicely sculpted. I don't know what's up with that. I mean, like, all of them is nicely sculpted, but like the hands are like weirdly detailed. Like, I'm not complaining though. I think that's great. I love that. It's cool. They're very pretty. Come on. How do I... come on, hair, get out of my way. Okay, and then I think this part folds down. Something like that. I don't care for this outfit as much, but the doll herself is really cute, and the shoes are super sweet, so that's alright. Feels like the shoes don't really fit with the socks on. Dying here, you guys. I'm trying. Let me try to take the socks off and see how they fit. Okay, yeah. Okay, wait, maybe I had to push a little harder. I'm the worst. Hold on. I didn't realize how hard I was going to have to push. Okay. Alright, lady, come on. Get that lovely foot in there. There we go. No? Did I get it in? Oh! I got it! Yay! It's probably like 11 minutes of me not being able to get this stupid shoe on. There we go. That one was easier. I knew how hard to push. Okay, and then her accessories. Put her earrings in. One earring. Two earring. I'm like looking down this whole time. I'm like so sorry. See my awful roots. Okay, and the necklace. I'm gonna be honest. Don't care for this doll's stock as much as the other ones. But I was expecting that, so I do like the chokers better. My other two have chokers, and this one it's like a necklace, but it kind of like sticks out like that. Can you see? And it looks like it's gonna fall off really easily, so that's what I say about that. Oof. And there are her glasses. I think that the glasses look silly on them. I don't know. That's just my opinion. Yeah, I'm not going to put the glasses on. Put the backpack on. I mean, if you like your LOL OMG girl to have the glasses on, then that's cool. I don't mind that. I just think, from my personal taste, I think it looks a little silly with their gigantic eyes. I think that's would have been what they're going for, though, so. And here's the bag on her. And here is her full outfit. Here, let me just. Okay, there we go. There she is. So, my 3 LOL girls. 2 in their stock and 1 not in her stock. But here they are. There's my 3 girls. And that's it. Her hair's so fluffy. Oh, I recommend Queen, is it Queen Bee or Royal Bee? Royal Bee. I don't know what I've been saying. I recommend Royal Bee so much. Oh my god. Actually so sweet. I think she's my favorite out of all of them. Yeah, definitely my favorite out of all of them. Here you go. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.